Are you recording? Take one.
Yeah, growing up through school, I always knew I was different.
And when I started doing my own little bit of research on autism, I thought, wait a minute, all those quirky little things that I grew up with, being very aware that I was doing or feeling, those come under the one term, autism.
When you're autistic, you're born with it. It's not like a disease or anything, it's there for your whole life. Even when you're 96.
Even when you're 96, yeah, if you make it that far.
We're both autistic.
Mm-hmm, that's right. And that's good in some ways because we really understand each other. Yeah, maybe it puts certain restrictions on you in some ways, but it gives you certain strengths in other ways.
It allows me to focus on something that I'm so passionate about. I get so much enjoyment out of that, so much. If I wasn't autistic, would I be so passionate about these things? I don't know.
I really like the brutal honesty. I know everyone else doesn't, but at least people know what I'm thinking.
I wouldn't consider myself not creative, or anyone here not creative. Maybe you can even be more creative.
And the other good thing about being autistic, isn't it, that it gives you a different point of view. And you might come up with different ideas that non-autistic people might not think of.
Yeah, and the bad things about autism is...
Do you think it's good to know that you are autistic?
I think it's a very good way of kinda understanding life a bit more.
I think we've all had those experiences of like not everybody fully got us.
From knowing for sure, then I've just put less pressures on myself, less I don't feel the need to conform within society. I just be myself, and I'm happy at that.
If you're dealing with the public, you're dealing with autistic people. And so if someone is behaving unusually or looking distressed or whatever, consider the possibility that they might be autistic and they might be finding things really difficult.
Just give them time, as well as be patient for them when they're experiencing like a sensory overload or a meltdown. I would just expect people to understand in general what I'm going through, and just not confuse it with like tantrum or whatever.
I think people really need to shift their ideas on what autism is. It's not a negative thing, it's quite a cool thing, and that it's nothing to be ashamed of. Like, I know that now, like all my little traits that I have had growing up, like I remember thinking, oh, I'm so weird, I need to just kind of hide that. But actually that's what makes me me now, and that's, those are the reasons why people around me, like my friends, my family, that's why they love me. So it's fine to have these quirks, and in fact, diversity is great, like the quirks are great. It's what makes people human, isn't it?
Bye-bye.